What is flow? Flow is something like NSX. Something like NSX. Network virtualization, we can say here, correct?
Yeah.
Network virtualization. Flow is used by Nutanix itself only. See, if you are a customer and using high infra, you will not use flow, you will use this NSX, because NSX is a highly security feature with advanced settings and advanced features that is used by NSX. Now, what is flow? What flow does? Flow network security, it offers a policy-based network security integrated into AHV and Prism Central. I say that flow we can use from Prism Central. Here it is. It provides rich virtualization, automation, security for virtual machine running on AHV. The same thing is done on Nutanix also. Nutanix is, sorry, the same thing is done on NSX also. NSX is also used for providing security to the infra that is being used by the customer. Flow network security implements micro-segmentation with a simplified policy management. What it does, you can apply security on different ports group. Like you asked me one query when we are discussing the storage. Is there any segregated policy? You asked something like that, correct?
Maybe I not remember.
Yes, yes. On storage, you asked me, can we segregate the storage policy? Correct.
Yeah, yeah.
So
The storage policy. Yeah. Per
yes,
VM. Per VM. Yeah.
correct. So here also, 1 second, Sandeep. Allow me a moment. Can you allow me 2 minutes only?
Yeah.
Please. I'm putting myself on mute. Someone at my door. Yeah, hi Sandeep. Sorry for that. Sandeep?
Yeah,
Yeah.
please.
Okay. So here, yes. So what I'm saying that same is here in Nutanix flow. We can segregate the policy category wise. Like if we want to separate policy on app servers, we can do that. Web servers, we can do that. Or database server, we can do that. So we can segregate it. We can use it using the flow. Apart from that, by using multiple
which type of policy this is?
आने तो दो, I am coming to that. Policies like isolation, quarantine, categories. I will come to that. Okay. Yeah. So Nutanix Flow, what is this? This is a built-in security solution for AHV. AHV hypervisor. This is a built-in security solution for AHV that focus on the security policies and micro-segmentation. Now, what is micro-segmentation? Micro-segmentation flow, it enables you to segment your network into smaller, isolated zones, allowing you to control traffic between virtual machine. How you allow traffic between your virtual machines? Not asking about Nutanix. A simple, by opening the ports, correct? If you are using NSX, what you can do? In DFW, you can open the port, correct? Here also in load balancer, you can open the port and allow the communication between two machines. Security policies.
Not a load balancer firewall.
Yes. Load balancer is also there, but not here.
Yeah, actually you are आपने बोला load balancer, मैं बोला load balancer.
That load balancer DFW that I was referring to, DFW is, I was referring to NSX, not Nutanix.
Yeah,
sorry for that if you were confused.
No.
So flow allow you to define security policies to control VMs, to control which VMs we can communicate with each other based on various criteria. Like you can apply settings. If you want only application VM can communicate with each other, you can apply the policy. If you want, you can apply the policy that only application and this particular database server can communicate. You can apply the policy. So everything, segregated policy, you can use here. Okay. No T0, T1 architecture here, Sandeep. You asked me that, correct? Unlike NSX, which use a T0, T1 architecture to manage virtual machine, Nutanix does not have a tiered structure. Nutanix flows says is of providing a simpler, more integrated experience with the Nutanix hyper-converged infrastructure. It has its own security features.
There is one question. Can Nutanix support the multi-tenancy environment?
While using AHV or?
Let's say complete, I think AHV only. Nutanix is just AHV. We are not referring not in this ESX mode. Basically, most of the environment have the AHV only.
It use VPC. I need to check on that.
Yeah,
but yes, it has some options for implementing.
What the approach to implement the multi-tenancy?
Yeah, let me take a note of it.
VMware have two different tools for the multi-tenancy. One is a VRA and another one is a Cloud Director.
VRA is not used here. Let me check. It's inbuilt feature. I need to check on that. Yeah.
And
now
for
categories.
And also one question for the micro segmentation. What are the protocol used for the micro segmentation? Is the VLAN or is the VXLAN or is the VLAN or is a Jenny or something else?
For this Nutanix flow?
Yeah, is it for Nutanix?
Simple TCP UDP.
When we're talking about the micro segmentation, micro segmentation is within the segmentation we have to do some micro segmentation. If suppose we have one VLAN number 10, and we have to create 10 different VLAN under the VLAN 10. This is called micro segmentation.
For that Nutanix use VXLAN.
Yeah.
For IP address management within AHV.
Okay.
Now I go. But Nutanix flow use TCP UDP and ICMP. Yeah.
Okay.
So where I was. So yes.
I think we have to continue from tomorrow actually for flow. It
Okay,
will
no
be
problem. It's not, it's only few topics are there.
basically the things are there. So we
Okay,
have
no
to
problem.
just
Let me continue tomorrow. Can I
Mhm.
explain this feature? Only two are pending. That is fine.
Yeah, please.
So categories, as I said, we can use flow to use categories. Yeah, like where we need to apply policies to some particular group or some particular application or some particular VMs, we can use that. Prism central management, we can